Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Chef Naz Life Spice. So today we're going to do something very simple. We're going to do some chicken and make a little sort of tuna-ish curry. So we've got some onion, we've got some garlic ginger paste, tomatoes, there's green chili there as well, some tomato puree. So I've marinated this overnight in some turmeric and chili powder and salt and a touch of oil. So I've got some oil, it's quite hot now, it's quite smoky. So we're just going to quickly do this in real time, just to see how it goes. So pardon, I'm trying to get used to these cameras. So ready, I'm going to first, we're just literally going to fry this chicken off. Going to fry it, chicken off, shallow fry it. As you can, just get some colour onto it, some flavour. You might use quite a bit of oil, but we'll get rid of that after. Look at that. Fry some chicken. So while that's frying, put it on a high heat. Quite a lot of chicken, about 2 kilo. That's what we're going to do. So this is half of it so far, first batch. So let that cook through, we'll come back in a second. So we've been frying off the chicken in just oil, and remember this chicken already had a bit of spice on it. So now, this is sort of backward way of cooking. Usually you get the onion first, it's a slightly different way. So I've got a chili, and then I've got a couple of onions. So you give that a good stir, so the onions will start breaking down and make the sauce. And you're thinking, well, it's a bit odd when you put the onions first. You go, yeah, that's a different way. So now, I'm gonna change the spoon. Here we have a nice spoon. It's on high heat, so there's a lot of water, so the water's gonna evaporate. The onions are gonna release the water, then the water's gonna evaporate, but to help do that, we need salt. So I'll put a bit more salt in there, actually. A teaspoon. You can add more later, so it's fine. Or maybe a bit more, because we've got lots of tomatoes going in. So yeah, we're cooking it very high heat. I've got a electric cooker here, so it can take a bit of time. So just bear with me on that. Now, to that, I'm gonna add some garlic and ginger. So let's look what we have. This is ginger. Get from Sainsbury's in UK. So, teaspoon, 2 teaspoons, kilo of chicken. Same with the garlic, which you can see, so same thing. Garlic, 2 teaspoons as well. I've got green chili there. So cook out a little bit. And I haven't got any additional spices yet. I will do later once the oil is sort of separated. So this is slightly different. That's curry. Bit of tomato paste. This is the posh stuff from the tip. So a little bit in there. A teaspoon. And 3 overripe tomatoes, just chopped. And you can see I still haven't put any extra spices in yet. I will at some point. So we want this to sort of break down. Put a lid on it now. But before that, I'm gonna add some spices. So I'm going to add some turmeric, wholly, teaspoon, some Kashmiri chili powder, about half teaspoon. Use Kashmiri chili powder, not too hot because I cook for my daughter. Some cumin, jeera, coriander, teaspoon and a half. Got a bit of paprika for the color. Some garam masala. And remember, I haven't put any whole spice in this. That's straightforward, simple curry. Some black pepper. Good old black pepper, which is from Little. So just a teaspoon of that as well. You can see the color started changing in real time. So look at that. Wow. How good is that? That's so quick. So this is, look, it's not a traditional curry as such, but chopped coriander. And where's the water? There's no water added yet, have I? So I'm not going to for a bit because it would be like a boomer. With natural water in there. And now I'm going to put a lid on this, cook it down for about 10 minutes. There you are. Lid's on. We'll be back. Yeah, let's have a look what's going on. It's been a few minutes now. Oh, look at that. Look at that, see? Easy clean. And I haven't even added any water. Can you see how much water is already in there? That's natural juices from the chicken, the tomatoes, from the onions. So now we're putting on low heat and just let it cook through 10-15 minutes and it'll be ready. Can you believe that? Easy code, mate. Look at that. And that's it. Look at that. Quick chicken curry. Let's have a look. See? Enjoy. Brilliant.